Welcome back to our channel where we explore the world of photography, one click at a time. Today we're diving into the world of compact cameras, specifically the much-anticipated Ricoh GR4. As enthusiasts eagerly await its release, we'll discuss the rumors, features we hope to see, and what makes the GR series so beloved among photographers. The Ricoh GR series has long been celebrated for its unique combination of portability and powerful performance. With the GR3 setting a high bar in 2019, many are wondering what the GR4 will bring to the table. While there hasn't been an official announcement yet, speculation is rife among photography circles. So let's break down the current rumors surrounding the GR4. First off, one of the most discussed enhancements for the GR4 is its autofocus system. Users have often voiced a desire for more reliable autofocus performance, especially in low-light conditions. Imagine being able to capture those fleeting moments, like a street performer at dusk, without the frustration of focus hunting. Better autofocus could elevate the shooting experience, making it even more intuitive and enjoyable. Another feature that's been widely anticipated is the addition of a tilt screen. This simple adjustment could transform the way photographers capture images from difficult angles, perfect for street photography where every shot counts. The compact size of the GR series is one of its defining features, and a tilt screen would enhance usability without sacrificing portability. Rumors also suggest a potential increase in megapixels, which could significantly enhance image quality, especially when utilizing crop modes. If the GR4 were to feature a higher resolution sensor, it could allow photographers to experiment with more creative compositions while retaining excellent detail. And let's not forget about the robust build quality that many hope to see. Improved weather sealing would be a welcome addition, enabling photographers to take their GR4 into diverse environments without worry. Whether it's a sudden rain shower or a sandy beach, durability is key for the on-the-go photographer. As we await the official announcement, it's clear that the Ricoh GR4 has the potential to become a favorite among both street and everyday photographers. While we're all excited about the possibilities, remember that these features are still just rumors until confirmed by Ricoh. What are your thoughts on the rumored features of the Ricoh GR4? What are you hoping to see? Share your ideas in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more photography news and tips. Stay tuned as we continue to follow the latest developments and bring you all the updates on this exciting camera. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting!